Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are just getting started on a Berkleys Backyard BBQ graduation here. I tell you, what a wonderful event here we got going here. We're just starting out. People are just starting to come through the line, but I just wanted to give you an idea of what Berkleys Backyard BBQ does. We sit here and when we come and set up a beautiful tent. Okay, there goes my truck. There goes where I cook all the food. Put up a couple tents here. I have where I stage all my food, cook everything right underneath that tent. Everything is freshly prepared here on site. We don't bring any food in that's already cooked. That's not what we do. And I tell you, there's nothing better than having some fresh cooked barbecue right on site. And we got Phil serving up people. Hi, how are you?
Hey, you know what? This is absolutely wonderful. It doesn't get any better than this, baby. It's like money in the bank.
Wow, that's unbelievable.
Congratulations. This is beautiful. No, thanks. I'll take some ribs and one of those. Look at that.
Yeah, that's a better shot, folks. You got some tri-tip.
Look at this.
Look at that. Wow, some ribs.
Yes, a flat one.
It's going to move out right in here. Fresh flowers all the time. Oh, how's that?
Hello, looks wonderful. Grab.
So they just come in. We got our dinner rolls. There are fresh flowers there. Look at that. Look at that.
It is a beautiful thing. Barbecue is a beautiful thing.
Yes, it is.
Okay, what is this? Hawaiian chicken?
Oh, that is our famous barbecue chicken with pineapples. It's unbelievable.
It looks amazing.
And our fresh corn. Oh my God, you have to taste my corn. The corn is insane. All right, ladies and gentlemen, Berkleys Backyard BBQ. Just kind of wanted to give you an idea of what we do. Everybody's going to be coming through the line. Hey. And we had our coleslaw. Oh my God, the coleslaw is amazing. Potato salad. Folks, Berkleys Backyard BBQ. 714-206-2222. Check us out on the web at Berkleys Backyard BBQ.com. So come on and check it out. All right, take care, everybody.